Welcome, family. This is the Velvet Locks with another wonderful detox drink for you today. Listen, this is not just any type of detox drink. This is a fat burning drink that's going to help you to lose 8 pounds of that belly fat in just 3 days. Yes, it's going to slim your belly down. You're going to see a difference in your abdominal area in 3 days. Now, we already know diets are very important in order for us to lose that belly fat. And we all know that usually that healthy looking flat belly requires a lot of working out in the gym. Losing weight is 90% health as far as your eating habits and 10% exercise. Now, this recipe is extremely beneficial in order for you to have that perfect shape abdominal muscle. If you consume this drink daily, you can actually reshape your belly. So this is a homemade fat burning drink that is easy to prepare and it only takes a few minutes. Now, this mixture is going to work very fast and you'll be able to see the difference within 2 to 3 days. And the key to this wonderful drink is parsley. Now, the parsley is packed with vitamins that are crucial for proper digestion. The lemons, on the other hand, are highly beneficial for fat burning. And you can also substitute a whole lemon for a whole lime for those of you who don't like or can't get the lemon. Now, besides reshaping your belly, this mixture will also improve your metabolism. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna drink this drink fresh every day on an empty stomach for 5 days. In the mornings, when you wake up, prepare your drink and drink it. So you're gonna do this for 5 days straight. Then you're gonna take a break for 10 days. Then you're gonna restart again after the 10 days for another 5 days. So it's like intervals, okay, of drinking this drink. Don't drink it completely straight for 2 weeks. Do it exactly how I explained it to you and you will see results in your body. So let's get ready for the video. You're gonna need a handful of parsley, freshly washed parsley. You're also gonna need the juice of a whole lemon. You're also gonna need a half a cup of filtered water. And you're going to need a processor. So today I'm going to use my Veggie Bullet and I'm going to use the smoothie cup that comes with it. So let's start right now. So to start this off, we're going to take our smoothie cup and we're going to put all of our parsley inside the smoothie cup. So now we have our spinach in our thing and we're going to blend it down. Okay, so you're just going to have it minced a little bit. Okay, next we're going to take our lemons, our whole lemons, and we're going to juice our lemons. So we're just going to squeeze the juices of our lemons inside our mixer. Okay, lastly, you're going to add a half a cup of water. And put it inside your mixer. And then you're going to pop it back on your food processor and blend. You're going to take your drink and you're going to pour it into your favorite cup and that's it. Refreshing and healthy. And as always, I like to drink my drinks with a straw. So that's it, you guys. A wonderful detox drink that is definitely going to slim you down, help you to lose all of that belly fat. And you drink this every morning consistently for at least 5 days. I'll have everything down at the bottom in the description bar. Okay. Okay, I'm not gonna lie and say it's good, but it's good for you. Okay. All right, you guys, don't forget, like, comment down below, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. And enjoy your flat belly drink. All right, and I will see you in the next video. fam. What are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that notification bell right next to it. So this way you will know when I'm uploading another video. So don't forget, hit the subscribe button, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you will not miss another one of these type of videos. So let's get started.